Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents
the Foster dual action automatic switchblade, the 1911 FBA Foster knives, black tactical dual action sports feature that you can open the blade manually or via a hidden secret release in the knife's handle. The handle is machine milled aluminum and features a laminate scale. The blade is 154 cm. The knife comes in a number of color configurations for your style. The 1911 has a pocket clip tip down carry for easy carry. The blade length is 4 inches, the overall is 9 inches, the weight is 5.6 ounces. Foster knives, 1911 black tactical dual action.
available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com.